is about 10 feet wide. And also, it can go up to 20 feet tall. That's almost 4 times my height. A pretty big nest, huh, Sean?
Yes, the very big nest for a very big eagle. And I believe Susie has done well, and it's time for her to make back home. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Susie!
Oh, Sean, did you hear that?
Oh, yes, dear. Can you hear that? It's a very convenient fall. Oh, look out! Wow, that's a white-bellied sea eagle. They can be found in South Asia and one of the few raptors to spawn right here in Singapore.
White-bellied sea eagles have long sides on their feet. We shove them to grip onto slippery things for being quick, just like fish and even snakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous sea snakes.
Now speaking of sea snakes, we got ready for such a great ride with me. Now we're gonna toss this into the pond and let see Nelson is able to snatch this off from the surface of the water. So here we go! And whoa!
Now I know it might be a bit too fast for some of you, but don't worry, we do have it on replay. And look at that powerful green-looking mountain of waterworlds!
Wow, now after watching us in hunts like that reminds me why the white-bellied sea eagle is one of my favorite birds of prey.
But Sean, there's another raptor that we should look out for, and that is the broccoli kite. Broccoli kites are medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. They can steal a prey from a bird as big as Nelson on the white-bellied sea eagle. And as you walk around our park in Mandai, don't forget to look up. You might be able to catch some wild broccoli kites or even white-bellied sea eagles flying around. And this is how they look like in the skies. On the left will be the white-bellied sea eagles, and on the right the broccoli kite.
And it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. And the size is obvious, but there's also the coloration and even shape of the wings. For example, the white-bellied sea eagle has a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
And for the broccoli kite, they have an M-shaped wing and a U-shaped tail. They are also brownish in color.
Speaking of raptors, ladies and gentlemen, each year about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying to as far as Africa. It's a perilous journey and thousands never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are being killed for sport. Therefore, we need your help to protect and save this birds, or soon our skies will be empty.
Birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They remove all sick animals and get rid of pests. The one bird in particular helps us very well in pest control. But that bird is none other than the owl. And the rodents that these birds hunt will never hear them coming, because owls are masters of silent flight. So everyone, allow me to introduce to you our lovely owls on stage. We have Latin and Maya, Malay owls, and another our local species.
Owls have soft and sensitive on their feathers, which alters
അതുകൊണ്ടല്ലേ പറക്കാൻ വിടാതെ കൈ പിടിച്ചോണ്ട് വരുന്നു
making them as quiet as a whisper. They also have incredible eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
That's right. And the colors of their eyes tell us when it's meant to hunt. And owls with yellow color eyes and lattes with Maya, well, they hunt during the day. Orange eyes with the light to hunt during sunrise and sunset. And owls with black color eyes for the love to hunt during the night. Alright, and with that, as everyone loves the lovely owls as they get back in. Everyone, let's give it up for Lattes with Maya, along with their trainers. So you've just met owls, which are also known as nature's pest controllers. Our next group of birds are known as nature's clean-up crew. And those birds I'm talking about are the vultures.
However, vultures are widely misunderstood birds. When you see vultures on TV, they are portrayed as evil, circling around the skies with ominous music and a sense of impending doom. But we are here to tell you the real story.
The vultures are nature's clean-up crew. And they use columns of air to fly and glide as they search for the animals, using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
And then, let's welcome our very first vulture, Zena, the turkey vulture. Turkey vultures are from the Americas. They are the very few birds in the world with a finely tuned sense of smell.
That means if there is a dead animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. It looks like it has picked up a stench right up there. Okay, not to worry. And of course, other vultures, especially the bigger ones, they will follow suit. They will do the hard work of ripping apart the top part of the dead animal. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, in the wild, turkey vultures don't travel alone, they travel in a group of about 100 birds. So imagine in the sky you see hundreds of turkey vultures. You set up on a carcass and it looks like a smoke signal. Right? And you know what? You get to experience it one more time, rip right down. Amazing job there. Once again. Alright, looks like our turkey vulture is very one of our trainer right there, not to worry. Once again. Great. Right there.
And here's another interesting fact about turkey vultures. Their stomach acid is as strong as car batteries, which helps them to digest carriers pretty well. And with that, it's time for Zena to get back home. Let's give Zena a big round of applause. Chaos, doesn't it? Greedy birds competing and screaming down on customers. Then, it's like a disorganized eating frenzy.
But vultures are social species and clearly respect the place in the pecking order. When vultures gather, there is a feeling protocol.
And with that, let's welcome our very first guest at the feast, our African white-backed vulture. They are the middlemen who eat some flesh and organs. These birds are social but yet aggressive feeders. Once a carcass is found, they will get nearby before they begin to feed. But once they get growing, about 100 birds will gather for a meal and stripping a carcass down to its food in less than 5 minutes. Once widely found across Africa, they are now critically endangered.
And let's go to the limits and high of the animal. Enter the Sudanese vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Now, unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary, except in and is meant to feed on carcass in a smaller group. The owlbear right over there has a strong gripping, huge, sharp talons, and hook feet. Chunks of the grip parts will come high on the animal to eat chunks of flesh. So look at it going. Wow.
Michelle, we have another skeleton to showcase.
Oh, that's right, honey.
So let's welcome our marvelous dogs from Africa. These birds have yellow-like wings and striped bold and legs.
These captains are able to cooperate cruises well with the vultures during the big feast. And ladies and gentlemen, about 11 species of vultures in Africa, they are up to 70% of the continent's area. We would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
That's right, Kamal. But all over the world, we are losing these incredible birds for many reasons. Deforestation, electrocution, poison practices, and even superstitious beliefs. Many are now critically endangered, and conservation from all over the world will be the only way to save them from extinction. So let us all take hold and show our appreciation to these birds for keeping our environment safe and clean.
ഇതിലെ മീൻ വെള്ളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് പൊങ്ങി ചാടുമ്പോൾ പോയി പിടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വരും.
So today we met raptors and scavengers, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth, are a part of our ecosystem, part of our planet. They we lose them, we lose part of our family.
So let us all live in harmony with all predators on wings.
So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming down to our presentation, and now allow me to share with you our next program happening right here in Sky and Theatre. Now if you are keen to watch Hornbill's perform